Usually when I say the word gratin, you would think potato gratin, but I'm going to show you something a little different today using an array of gorgeous summer vegetables and some hot Hungarian salami. Now you need a large bowl because we want to mix all our vegetables together. I have a combination of eggplant, and what I've done with the eggplant is just cut them into small triangles. We want everything to be roughly the same size so it cooks evenly and for the presentation. I'll show you that in a little bit. Also some tomatoes, again trying to get the same size, so I'm using some Roma tomatoes here into the bowl. To that I'll add some zucchini. We'll just take the tops off. 2 medium zucchini, and the best way to cut these is just pile them together and then cut them into perfect rounds. You can see it's got a very provincial French style going on here with the zucchini, the tomatoes and the eggplant. It's a fantastic side to any roast. So in with the veg. To that we'll add our hot Hungarian salami, and this is what really makes this dish stand out, because as this salami cooks down with our vegetables, it's going to flavour all these vegetables. It's also got a bit of heat to it, and I like this one because it's got no preservatives or artificial flavours. Now we do need to take the skin off, and you can see how easy it comes off. So I just made a little slit in it, and then we'll just peel that back very easily. Great. Okay, we're going to slice, and you can see all the lovely marbling in there of the fat. I can smell the chilli there, full of flavour. And then we're going to add just a small amount of salt because the salami does have the salt in it, some pepper and some extra virgin olive oil. So in with our little rounds, the oil, drizzle that over the top, just a light thin film, salt and some pepper. All right, you want to get your hands in there and just coat everything in a nice thin film of that oil. And we'll grab a gratin dish. Again, just oiling the dish so nothing sticks, a small amount. And get your hands in there and just really coat the base of that. Now, this is the fun part, and you can get the whole family involved. We need to make little packages of all of these ingredients. Start with a little bit of eggplant, the salami, tomato and zucchini. And that's our little first package. We'll place that into our gratin dish. And what we're going to do is repeat this process and completely fill this gratin dish. I'll then finish it off with a little thyme, some butter and some parmesan. That goes into the oven, 190 degrees, and it's going to cook for about 30 minutes or until those vegetables are tender. Well, how good does this look? See how everything has held their shape? It's roasted down though, and underneath you'll see there's a lot of those juices. Those juices are so tasty. Look, I would serve that to the table as is, maybe with some crusty bread, a little side salad, or this is a fantastic side for roasts like chicken or even some fish.